My name is Daphne Kemunto, and I'm the Executive Director of Usalama Watch Initiative. Our main focus is to prevent road crashes, train, and also post-crash care. One of our safety programs is School Road Safety, where we assist children to cross the road safely. We train them on road safety skills that they can use whenever they're on the road as pedestrians. This is because a lot of children, as you can see, they're very vulnerable, they're young, they have biological limitations in terms of height. They're not like us as adults who are able to discern the road and have judgment as we walk. They're a bit limited, and it's up to us as the motorists, as the adults, to ensure that they arrive safely.
My name is Bright Oyuaya, and I work for the Association for Safe International Road Travel. In working with this organization, I know for sure that Kenyan roads are some of the most dangerous roads around the world. And a lot of our children die to and from school. And this is something that is preventable. It's even predictable. There is something that we can do about this. And a good place to begin is the Traffic Amendment Act of 2014 that seeks to reduce speeds around schools and places where children do cross. It also seeks to put calming measures in places where speed cannot be reduced. It also seeks to deal with standardization of school transport, which has been left unattended to. Old buses, old matatus are what are turned into school buses. There are no safety measures in the buses, and children are left to be vulnerable. We have left the responsibility of taking care of children on our roads to children themselves, who are yet to be developed. This bill seeks to put back the responsibility where it belongs. That is to government authorities, to school authorities, to drivers, and to people that need to take care of that.
My name is Vincent Kimosop, the Chief Executive, International Institute for Legislative Affairs. Currently, we are working closely with the stakeholders working towards supporting the Traffic Amendment Bill 2014. This is a legislation that seeks to support and enhance and more or less deepen the policy framework in our country that enhances and ensures that our people are safe on our roads. First, it will seek to reduce speed limits in areas that we have children when they're going to school and when they're coming out of school. It also seeks to fix statutory fines. When somebody rides or drives at a speed of 30, 20 more than what is expected, they should not be treated the same as the person who has exceeded with a speed of 5 kilometers. So when these statutory fines are fixed in law for the first time, we expect that it will minimize corruption. The bill also seeks to, for the first time, ensure that there is regulation of safety of our children. All the reports that we've had in the past where children using school vehicles have had road crashes will for the first time be regulated in law. The Cabinet Secretary will be required within a period of 3 years to come up with regulations to ensure that school transports for the first time is actually maintained and kept in standards that the law outlines.
We can sit back and do nothing about this situation, but we can also act towards the reduction of deaths and injuries of our children as they go to and from school. ASAT Kenya supports this bill and urges the parliamentarians to also support this bill by passing it. This bill will save the lives of our children as they go to and from school.
I advocate for the amendment of the child traffic bill because too many children are dying on the roads. As the Usalama Watch Initiative, we get a lot of calls from head teachers who call us to come and intervene in their schools because every day they would have an incident occurring where a child has been knocked. They have to attend to that child, and in some cases we have fatalities. At this time, over 9,300 children die on our roads. We have over 10 million children going to school. 70% of those children walk to school. So you can imagine 7 million children are exposed to dangerous drivers, to dangerous conditions as they try to cross to go and have basic education, which is their right. So I ask that parliamentarians must pass this bill to safeguard our children's future, to ensure that they arrive alive in school. Kumbuka kutazama, kulia kushoto, kulia tena, kabla ya kuvuka